So this right here is the kind of COVID-19 week I'm having. Right here. Yep. Y'all. So, hey y'all. Listen, raise your hand if you don't want to hear corona. You don't want to hear coronavirus. You don't want to hear corona anymore. Not even the beer. Raise your hand if you were just over COVID-19. My entire day from 7 a.m. to 7 p.m. is consumed with COVID-19 right now. So, I mean, this right here, when I tell you I need this, I mean that. Okay? But look what we got. And before we open this, I want to say, oh my gosh. Yes! We have reached 1,000 subscribers. I'm so excited. I have to be honest in that I wasn't really focused on it when I first started this journey, but I honestly wasn't focused at all. And then I started to hustle and focus on it, and here we are at 1,000 subscribers. So I'm so excited. Thank you all so very much for subscribing and hitting that little red button for me when I ask you every single week to hit that little red button below. And thank you so much. We're going to open this month's Birchbox, but as you know, I promised that we would do a Birchbox giveaway once we hit 1,000 subscribers, and so guess what, we're doing a Birchbox giveaway. Yes! We're about to do it. Yeah, I'm so excited. So listen, if you are a usual fave, then you already know what the deal is. I'm giving away 3 months of Birchbox to one lucky winner. That is guys and gals. So not just gals, but guys and gals, because Birchbox also has a men's box that is actually pretty awesome. All orientations welcome, because regardless, you're gonna get a box every single month with your name on it. I'm so excited. Thank you all so very much. I love you, every last 1,000 of you. I love you. So I'm really, really excited that we finally got there, and I hope that whomever that lucky winner is loves their Birchbox. So we're going to talk about what it's going to take to win this Birchbox after we open this month. And so, I mean, we really shouldn't even spend any time on COVID-19, but I feel like, you know, old girl. Anyway, it's our Birchbox for the month. Sounds like a lot of goodies in here. So here's our Birchbox. A daily facial massage promotes circulation and skin elasticity. Yeah. Birchbox tip number 171. So you get your card. On the back, it's going to tell us what we got this month. And so I'm going to open. Oh, there's a lot going on in here, y'all. And I did choose this box. So I don't remember what's in here, but I did choose it. I'm almost positive I did. I know I did. So here is what's in the box. Okay, can you see all that? Okay. So the first thing on our list is, this is the first time sampling Tarte Rainforest and Rainforest of the Sea 4-in-1 setting mist. Ooh, nice. I actually have a setting mist that I forget to use every single day, and that's because it's not out. I need to pull it out. So this is the that's cute. That, I like the packaging on that. So this is the Rainforest of the Sea 4-in-1 setting mist. This multi-purpose spray works under makeup as a primer, over makeup to keep it in place all day, or as a midday hydrating, I love it, midday hydrating mist. So I'm totally gonna use this. Was that for primer, all over makeup to keep it in place, or is it midday hydrating mist? That's only 3. Why is it calling it 4-in-1? Hold 8 to 10 inches away and spray directly onto the face. I love this. I love this. I'm gonna keep this in my purse. I'll let you know how this works. Next up is Benefit Cosmetics, which I love Benefit Cosmetics. It is the POREfessional Hydrate Primer. Okay, here it is. Hydrating face primer, moisturizes skin, it helps makeup last longer, minimizes the look of pores, fine lines in one step by Benefit. So I'll try this one. I love a good primer. Next up, Clean Beauty Pick. Yay! So this is a Clean Beauty Pick. So it's by BeautyCounter. Have I heard of BeautyCounter? It is a Counter Plus #2, a plumping facial oil. I like. Oh, I like it. You can't see it, but it's iridescent, the bottle. It's a this face oil absorbs quickly to deeply hydrate and boost your skin's plumpness and firmness. It's lightweight, silky smooth formula, has a subtle floral scent. So do you use this? I guess you use this during the day. I love it. I'm gonna let you know how this works because I'm interested in this one. A face plumper. Okay, like that one. Next up is by Wonder Beauty. Double Date Lip and Cheek Rendezvous. It's a multitasking lip and cheek balm. Blends seamlessly to deliver a natural pink tint while moisturizing skin with safflower extract. I like this. I like the packaging, but I also like the color. The color is Rendezvous. And I'm gonna try and open it. Look at that. Oh, that's pretty. Look at that. Look at that. That's pretty. Yeah, I like that. I do. I like that. Okay, very pretty. I like it. Next up is a bonus. Is by Rosie Jane. It's a Rosie Eau de Parfum. It's inspired by a. Now see this. I like. This is a inspired by the classic Bloom. This light and fresh scent blends of red rose, Moroccan rose, nude musk, oh, you know how I feel about musk, and a hint of vanilla is in an instant mood booster. Ooh, okay. I love rose. It's so funny because one of my girlfriends told me years ago that rose was an old lady scent. Did I not tell y'all that before? I was like, oh, I love rose. So I don't know. This is an exclusive subscriber perk. Yeah. It's by Arrow. It's a radiant skin moisturizer. It's a lightweight moisturizer. It has a subtle sheen to illuminate your skin and hyaluronic acid and aloe to hydrate and soothe. Use in the morning alone or under your makeup. So I'm gonna try this. It came with a little card. Says we remade our beauty line with a new look, new formula, new brand products that seamlessly fit into your routine and save you time. Each product exists for a special purpose and was born from years of customer feedback and our own desire for simple multitaskers that really work. Clean formula, travel well, super easy. Arrow. Like it. Okay. Cool. Okay. So we got some really good products this month. We got 6 products, which is nice. I like to get my money's worth. This box that I picked this month was woman founded. Everything that we got today was all the products were founded by women. And I love to, you know, support women brands, female brands. And so nice. I love it. This one's good. I need a refill. I need a refill, y'all. Really cool products this time, and I'm excited about all of them, really. So let's talk about that, because that's the great thing. I always say that's a great thing about Birchbox is that you get a variety of different things, not all makeup. And did we even get makeup? We didn't get, oh yes we did. Yes we did, we got a makeup product. So we got a little bit of everything. And so, as I was saying, I like to pick what I want each month, and you get the option of 3 to 4 choices of different boxes, or you can get a full size. You can, you know, get one full size thing, and then they give you a couple of other things in your box. So that's a great thing, as well as that you can just switch everything out. So I feel like I got some really good stuff this month. So I am excited about everything in here. Hoping you can see that, because I don't know if you can. But now let's talk about the giveaway. So one lucky winner gets to receive a 3-month subscription to Birchbox. here are the entry rules. All you have to do are just a few things. So first things first, you have to be a subscriber. So you're gonna have to hit that little red button below, whether you like it or not. Now, if your button is already hit the like button, thumbs up. Okay. And then finally, in the comment section below, I would like for you to tell me which of these products you are most interested in. Which caught your eye the most? I want a nice little comment below about one of these products, but be it the lip and cheek tint, be it the primer, the face mist, the perfume. You tell me which are the ones below that you like. And that is all you got to do. That's all you got to do. Those 3 things. Subscribe, like, comment below. That's it. And you will be entered. Now listen, the only way that you can win is if I can go to your page and see that you are subscribing. So if I can't see that you're a subscriber because your subscriptions are hidden, that's not gonna work. Because I have to be able to know that you are subscribed to me somehow. So I don't know. You tell me. But so worth it because you're gonna be in the Birchbox Club. Hey, 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 hey. This wine, y'all, is so good. Anyway, okay, so that is it. Be sure to like, comment, subscribe, and be sure to share this video with anyone that you know that might be interested in a new subscription box. It could be you, it could be your mom, Mother's Day is coming. It could be a friend, Mother's Day is coming. It could be anybody, Mother's Day is coming. So anyone that you would like to get a subscription box, feel free to get this box and give it to them. Or send them this video and let them subscribe, let them like the video, and let them comment below. Gentlemen, as I said, Birchbox has Birchbox Man. Get in here. Get in here, guys. Get in here. Go ahead and subscribe, like, and comment below. And that is it for this week. Again, I thank you all so very much for subscribing. I love each and every one of you. And I hope that you are enjoying our journey, our YouTube journey, our living for the city. Although these next couple weeks, I'm going to be honest with you. These next couple weeks are going to be rough for living for the city because we're not going to be living for the city. We're not. We're living for our house right now. We're not living for the city because city's shut down. We can't. I mean, so over these next couple weeks, we are going to get creative. I have a couple of things in my arsenal that I'm going to share with you. Yes. Okay. If you haven't already seen my most recent video of me and my girlfriends going down to DC for the weekend, I'm going to link that right here for you. Go ahead and when we're done, you go ahead and click that right there. So you'll have to see that. It's such a good time. There's 2 parts to that. So make sure that you check that out. It's a great time in DC. Can't go to DC right now, but you know. So over these next couple weeks, we're going to get creative until Corona makes her exit. We're going to get creative these next couple weeks. So bear with me. Okay. And there may be a week or 2 where we chilling. We can go back and watch some old videos. Let's do that. Whatever you want to do. Okay. Be sure to click that little red button below for me. Thank you so much. Like this video as well. Feel free to follow me on Instagram. That's my day-to-day highlights. I'm constantly on there uploading and sharing different and fabulous photos of the city with you. You can reach me there at living_for_the_city. You can also like me on Facebook if that is your preference. Living for the City 77. That works too. That is it, babes. Thank you again so very much. Cheers to a